My name is Dimitar and I'll be taking you through the complete Power BI practical course. For the past 4 years, I've been working as Power BI developer for some of the biggest, most recognizable brands worldwide. I've been building business intelligence solutions for various industries such as retail, banking, automotive and healthcare. This course is the perfect one-stop shop for those who would like to pursue careers as Power BI developers. You will learn practical and transferable skills which will transform you into a highly skillful individual which will be invaluable for your future career. So get excited as you've come to the right place and your journey into the Power BI world is about to begin. First, we'll begin by familiarizing ourselves with what Power BI actually is and obtain a free copy of Power BI Desktop. That's right, you'll receive a free copy of Power BI Desktop that will be yours to keep so you can install it on your machine with full updates from Microsoft. Even if you're a Mac user, that's right, I've got a non-technical solution for all Mac users out there so they can follow along. Now, I do understand that some of you may have had previous experience with Power BI or other BI tools and will be more interested in the advanced topics covered later in this course. However, this course starts from the very basics in order to make it suitable for all Power BI enthusiasts out there. If you feel like certain lessons are too basic for you, feel free to jump straight to the exercises or the later sections which will cover more advanced topics such as DAX functions. Once we've covered the basics, I'll show you a number of Power BI best practices which will transform you into a Power BI developer. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand the difference between import and direct query and how to choose the correct data connectivity for your database. Create your own data models inside Power BI, build hierarchies, apply data transformations using Power Query, ask questions to your data and receive answers using plain English language, get a solid understanding of DAX, learn when to use measures and calculated columns. Did someone say time intelligence functions? Finding out month-on-month numbers has never been easier with the help of a simple measure. Use logical statements to enhance your reports. Yes, we are talking about if statements, else statements, or statements. Introduce the wow factor to your dashboards. Learn how to style your visuals, fonts, and backgrounds. Create interactive drop-down menus and customize your report navigation. Secure your dashboards by creating user roles and stop worrying about who's got access to your data. Build completed end-to-end dashboard solutions. After each of the main sections, there will be a mini-quiz consisting of 6 questions followed by a practical task where you'll be asked to build a project inside Power BI to truly cement your knowledge. In section 6, you'll find your final project where you'll be asked to create a sales dashboard for the sales team utilizing all your knowledge acquired throughout the course. Following section 6, there is a bonus lesson. Besides obtaining practical knowledge that can be applied straight away into the business world, this course will give you a free copy of Microsoft Power BI, 60 days worth of free access to Power BI service, and the ability to ask questions at the Q&A section at Udemy. All questions will be answered. For peace of mind, you'll receive a 100% refund within 30 days of enrolling in this course if you're not satisfied with the course content. So what are you waiting for? Dive straight in. Let's begin your journey into the Power BI world together.